So yesterday we did that. We did the UV unwrapping, but not for all. I think in your scene, no, not for all. I will just show you how in my scene I have done for the same chair. You can see that. I can, so this is the same thing you in your scene you must have done that. I think this for the vertical columns. This is I think for these things, I don't remember whether we have done in your scene or not. You will just check and tell or what. Should I see you or you can share your screen? Yeah. It's processing. Yeah. You can just go to UV editing module. Yeah, it is already there. I think on the left side, the that you have to pull towards right side. You have to pull. Now select the first top object. No, select the first, and then go to tab. Yeah, it's done. Okay, and so, you can press Alt Q, keeping the cursor on the next object. Yeah, yeah. I press A. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. So little zoom in, no, in 3D viewport. It will be easy. 3D viewport. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now, I think the next one all copied. I think, but still you can just press. I don't have to do anything. Alt Q. Yeah. 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 Next also. Next just to do and see. Yeah, yeah, okay. So those must have done. Okay, we are now the right vertical column. You just check, no, vertical column in the chair only, in the 3D viewport only. Just take your cursor to the vertical column. There is vertical bead wooden piece is there, no? No, that is horizontal. Vertical means straight from the top to bottom it comes. Yeah. Yeah, that one. Yeah, it's done. Okay. So yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. Fine. This supporting beams, you please check, no? Supporting under the seat, yeah, yeah. That, yeah, done, done. Yeah, right. Okay, now, yeah, it's all done. Now we have to do I told, no, this small cork like thing we have to do. I will show you how to do it. I will show you in my screen. I will show you. So I have made it. Once again, I will show you. How, this is the shape actually. Yeah. So how I made this is once again I will show you. I'll go to outliner and press hold shift in the keyboard and place my cursor on the eye icon in the outliner near the group chair and press left mouse button. It will hide the entire hierarchy. Now I'll go to, I'm in object mode. I'm going to add mesh and then cylinder. Yeah, and pressing dot in the numerical pad. I'm zooming in. Now I'm going to make a dent inside the top surface and then bottom surface. So I'll go to edit mode, press Alt A to deselect everything to have a fresh selection. Now I'll select only the top face and then, yeah, yeah. and then press I for inset face. I'll press, yeah, I'll press I in the keyboard, and then it will, that is, it's a kind of insert face means it's a kind of extrusion only. It is duplicating the face, and it is, we can scale it small or bigger. With the same control we can do that. For that they have given this. So I'm pressing I in the keyboard and then adjusting the size of the duplicated circle. I feel okay, this is okay. So then press E in the keyboard, escape, and use move handle or move gizmo to bring it down. Okay, fine. Now I'll do this. Sorry. Ah, yeah, yeah. I will tell you. Boolean, no. It is like mostly we are trying to avoid using booleans because it will have, like suppose a cube is having only some 8 faces, okay, and very less number of vertices. But now I'm going to place a cylinder which is having 32 or more than the 32 vertices. I'm placing that cylinder inside the cube and trying to make a hole matching the size of that cylinder, a cylindrical hole I'm trying to make. Now you see the contradiction. The outer faces of the cube, no, will have very less number of vertices, and inside it will have more vertices. Only in that boolean area it will have more vertices. So this kind of contradiction we are trying to avoid in the mesh geometry. Yeah. So but we can do, it's not a big issue. Yeah, yeah, we can do. But where we can do is like suppose you want to make like so there are some shapes we cannot, designs, if you wooden designs you want to carve, those kind of carving, no, we can use boolean shapes, boolean operation we can use. uh, Even today I'm going to show you, if we have time, or in the next class, for the table we are going to make, no, for that we are going to do the, without boolean operation we are going to do the design, like that we are going to try. So it's yeah, it is not much even available in the YouTube and all. The that is, the method is available, but not the same purpose for which we are doing. They are not using the same method for the same purpose. So that we'll be seeing in the next session probably. So yeah. So boolean operation we can use, but for this one, no, just using inset face and then extrusion we can just achieve this. So we don't need. So the bottom surface also I'm doing the same thing. Inset, uh, inset, and then extrusion, escape, and then bring it up. Okay. So like this, no, you have seen the shape. You can also do this. Yeah. Maybe I will show in wireframe. You can do like this. Yeah. You can share your screen. Yeah. Now go. Yeah. Whenever it comes to modeling, no, we can go to layout module only instead of working in UV editor. No, layout module, layout first module. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you can switch to uh, just press Z in the keyboard and then yeah, yeah, that is a good one. Yeah, this way also. The solid, yes, yes. Now mesh cylinder, yes, yes. Press go to user perspective dot in the keyboard, frame selection. Yeah, yeah. Now you can minimize this settings. We don't need this anymore. Oh, yeah, right. Now we have to see the top face for now. Little, not much, not little, one third angle and little tilt that side. Little more. Further. Enough. Enough. Right. So now go to edit mode. Having selected this, go to Alt A deselection. Press I. Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I. Yeah. Enough. Now, yes, yes, super. Yeah. Same thing in the bottom also. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. This is okay. This is okay. Yeah. Yeah. Generally, the down size no will be thicker. I think down because they that spot no here extrusion. Yeah. That spot should have will have to be thick so that it can bear the weight of the chair. So upper in the upper it will have some screw or something no, so for matching that size it can be, so based on that. So the point is upper the thickness can be less or more, doesn't matter, but in the bottom the thickness should be more, that is important. Yeah, like this. Yeah, yeah, yes, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Right. Now this one we have made. We have to set this under the uh, legs, hind legs and forelegs. Now we go back to object mode. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Now you can. Okay. No, no, no. It should be very small actually. This size is okay. This what default size is okay. Just press dot. No, press dot. Uh, just see from the bottom. Little. Yeah, yeah. Little zoom out. No, no. From the bottom, I want to see, so that it should be in the at the center of that face geometry, particular geometry. Yeah, yeah, enough. Now you go to front view, no, front view. Yeah, you just press dot. Yeah. So this is okay. Okay, right. If you want, you can bring it down little, slightly. You can little more, upwards, little upwards. Okay, it's going to up. You press dot, no? Press dot. Little downwards, little. Uh, okay, right. Now, uh, this one is done. Uh, you can duplicate it. Shift D, escape. Now, no, manually, not manually. Press Alt A, Control A, all transforms. Yes, yes. Now mirror. Go to object menu in the, yeah, mirror. Mirror third option. Yeah. X global. Yes. XX. Yeah. So now the first one we did no, that one you duplicate no, uh, because it is having its pivot in its center. So we can use that easy. No. Undo. That just you have duplicated it right now. Now you move in the y-axis towards the foreleg. That is no. In the I'm talking about the gizmo, uh, the object move handle, y-axis handle. And, because this pivot should be at the center no. Okay, you have done all transforms. In the final only we should do all transforms. Okay, now you do one thing. You go to object menu. Yeah, set origin to geometry. Yeah. Now it'll be easy for you to do it. Yeah. Press dot. Yeah. Now you see the bottom and then align it. Uh, in Z axis we need not move now because it should be same level, no? So only in the X axis or Y axis we should move. Yeah. Okay. Now yeah. Control A. Now we can you can do all transforms. Control A. All transform. Mirror. Yeah. X global. Yes. Yeah. That's it. Right. Right. So now in the outliner you see they are outside the. If you want to move it, you can move it. If it is outside or something, if you feel object set origin, yeah, origin to geometry. Yeah, yeah. I always suggest no press dot and then do this thing. Yeah. Okay. Right. 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 Okay. Right. Now those things are outside the hierarchy. Oh, okay. It was not duplicated. It seems. No. Yeah. All transforms and then shift D. All right. 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 Okay. Fine. I think one more is there. You just see in the outliner, no? Yeah, yeah. Finish it. Okay, fine, super. Now in the outliner, we are seeing five cylinders. Maybe one we have to delete. I think any one. First one, I think we can delete. Just see now. Zoom in and see now. Uh, So in that case, no, you do one thing. That is, we have to scale it down. No, no, not only one. We have to scale. It should all be uniform. So I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Wait, wait. I'll tell you. Uh, Now you go to object menu. No, select. Having selected all the four. Go object menu. Set origin to geometry. Yeah. Now we can scale in its own axis. It won't stay. It won't go away from while scaling. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Nice. You know how it scaled in its own local axis because in transform pivot point, no, we are in individual origins. That's why it got scaled. If it was in median point, it wouldn't have scaled like this. It would have scaled and moved from the spots where you uh, fixed it. Okay, okay. Now those four cylinders in the outliner, our work is going to be in the outliner now. Four cylinders, you can just click the last cylinder, press shift and press the last. No, no, I'll tell you. Now, take your cursor to the outliner. Outline. Press hold shift in the keyboard and then select first cylinder 201 I think. Now it will all get selected. Yeah. Now, yeah, yeah. Now just to drag them together and put it on the group share word is there, no? No, no, exactly on the group share word. uh, it's not falling, huh? Okay, okay, then you do one thing. Yeah, you press control and select group share. uh, Now control P. Bring your cursor to the viewport and press control T. Control P, sorry. P for parent. Yeah, object. First one. Yeah, that's all. It has become the child. Right. And now Alt A, deselect everything. Yeah, yeah. Now go to right side view, no, right side view, that is right orthographic view. Yeah. Now just zoom the yeah, zoom in to the leg where it is contacting the ground. Yeah, enough. Yeah. Now press A. Uh, Now just press control slowly. You deselect only that group. Uh, uh, yeah. Now you are seeing the move handle, no? In Z, that is blue color handle. You move it upwards in the viewport. I'm saying, yeah, that one. Yeah, little move, and just to place it on the ground. Yeah, that black color line is there, no, horizontal line. Yeah. Bus enough, right? Now you select this group share, and then just press Control A, all transforms. Yeah, right. Okay, fine. So we have it on the ground now. Now UV unwrapping is also done. This cylinder cork, no, we don't need to do unwrapping because we are going to apply only a plain material for that, no texture for that. So only for other wooden cubes we have to apply the texture. Now first we will apply texture to the seat. Some, I think some five, yeah, some five, yeah. Just select the any one use. Press dot in the keyboard, no? Yeah. Now we are going to focus on this only. Uh, even more little zoom in. Yeah. Little, just turn the camera slowly. Little zoom in. Okay, right. Now we need not change this camera view. Let it be like this only. Now go to right side properties panel. You can raise this properties panel out, little, increase the size of it below. No, that side. Okay, this side. Yeah. Yeah. So go to the material properties. Just to, previous to last icon, just above last, new. Name it as wood material. Wood underscore material. Yeah. There. Yes. Wood underscore MATR. That is enough. Enter. Yeah. Now we have to apply a texture, right? So in base color only we have to apply the color map. They call it color map. Okay. Now it won't show the colors actually because you are in matte cap. This is called matte cap, material cap. Now you take your cursor to the viewport, press Z, choose material preview. Yeah. Now you will be able to see the texture or color, whatever you are going to apply. Yes. But not, this is not the color we are. That is, we are not going to apply the color anyway. We are going to choose the texture. That texture I will send you by WhatsApp. It will be a little big texture. So sometimes, no, Blender may crash. It will just close without any warning. So you always save it as save as version. I don't know, whatever the next version is, you can put that number and save it. Okay, you have saved it. Okay, now I'll send you the texture in WhatsApp. Yeah, I've sent you. this texture, no, you can save it in your, that is, I suggest you to save these textures, no, inside your directory we created, uh, inside your directory textures folder we created on that day, blender lessons or something, inside the directory you will have assets, render output, all that. So texture textures also one of the folders in that, inside the texture folder, you can save this one. uh yeah, it is because it's a big resolution, size is big. Textures, yeah, okay. So now you can go to this, in the blender, in the material properties, base color, there is a dot, no, yellow color dot is there, yeah, there you have to click and go to image texture, yeah, yes. Now there you are seeing in the right side open, yeah, it's opening, no, just click on, okay, I cannot see here because it's a different, it's a separate thing, okay, you can just select and assign it. Yeah, see how ready-madely it's like a hot cake, it is showing. Yeah, so this is why we had to work on UV unwrapping so much. Now, even for, yeah, we won't get. It is like I told you, no, we go to shop and buy a paper, and the shopkeeper will give you the papers bundle rolled it. Sometimes he may also give. So we have to bring it to house and keep it on the table, flat bed, make it flat, and then only we start writing. Same way here also, yeah, we have to unwrap this uh, complex cube geometry, and then make it flat, and then whatever texture you want to paint or apply, you can do that. Yeah. Now you may see that these, just zoom inside, no, little zoom inside the, yeah, you are seeing, no, you may want to, no, in the the previous view only you show, yeah, little zoom inside. uh, you are seeing the designs are like now this words towards camera, no, you are feeling like, or your client is saying, no, I want these designs to be horizontal, it is like vertical in the thing, in the, it is mapped vertical, so I want it to be mapped horizontal. Now you just select the cube, same cube, yeah, go to UV editing module, yeah. Now the just to yeah, here in the 3D viewport also you make it, frame, do frame selection, press dot. No, undo, dot. Yeah, always remember this frame selection dot. Yeah, right. Now press Z in the same 3D viewport and go to material preview. Yeah. Now you just keep this in view little closer. You in 3D viewport bring closer and top, little top. You should be able to see it. Right. Now you can what, switch off that. Okay, here press Alt A, so that you can see the texture for that. Now don't change the viewport. Let it be like this. You just select any one face in the, there is any one island in the UV editor panel. So you are knowing this is the thing, right? Now you just try to rotate this very slowly. Okay, go to rotate handle in the UV editor panel. No, don't scale and all. Don't scale. It is scaling. It is, choose rotation and slowly scale. Here the right side texture will change. You can see. Yeah. So we don't have to change it now. But I'm just telling you that if you, here also you have a chance. Just undo it, undo it. uh, just listen what I'm saying. Now if you don't want to change here the UV unwrap for some reason, you can go to Photoshop, take this image, the same texture, wood or something what you saved, I don't know, that image you load in Photoshop, and then you can rotate there also. There also you can do, but what will happen, for all the objects it will be in that rotation only. Yeah. So if you want only for this object, the texture should be mapped horizontally, not vertically, only for this specific object, then you can go to that specific object and rotate the, go to UV editor panel. And but in this case we just selected only one face, no, but no, we should not do. We should select a, press A and select all the faces and then rotate. So I think you can rotate now, because actually no, wood should be like this only, horizontal design it should be. So you, no, not only that, press undo. uh, Press A and then do the same rotation. Now I will tell you how to rotate. It will be like little slanting and all. No, undo. uh, Now press Control in the keyboard, it will do incremental rotation from one, snapping rotation. Yeah. Press control, press hold Control, and then use in UV editor panel, use that circle, white circle. You press hold Control. Yeah. You do you see, feel that tuck, it rotates. Yeah. That's all. So now it is easy to bring it to 90 degrees. Otherwise, no, it will be like 89 degrees, 88 degrees, like that. Okay. Now, escape. Press escape. Yeah. It is little careful. Yeah. It should be like, okay, when you pressed escape, it is gone back. Okay. Now, yeah, carefully press hold Control and carefully do it, and then press left mouse button on. Yeah, enough. Now we have to keep it inside the room. No, that room is there. UV space we call it. Just try to place it inside the room. Yeah. Now little scale down. No, little, everything very little we have to scale down. That one, white circle. No, don't change. No, undo. This I will, no, don't listen, don't do anything. We should never change the ratio of it. Blender has done the unwrap for us. We marked, or we did many things to unwrap. Now it has unwrapped the, as per the ratio or as per the dimensions. Now if I scale it or something, no, the texture will become bigger, or it will stretch. The texture will stretch there. So we should never do what too much scaling, uniform scaling, or one axle scaling, two axle scaling. We should never do. Why I am trying to scale now uniformly is, little inside the area it should come. Otherwise, no, white color, one color we will see in the rendering. So just to avoid that, we are trying to fit it inside the room, so that the head or leg of that pieces, no, will not protrude outside the room, just to fit them inside it. Like, it should not leak outside for that. So now you can actually use the S in the keyboard for these things, no, for uniform scaling. No, not here, careful, undo. That is in the UV editor panel. Not this much, little scale, very very little, a little more bigger. Enough. Bus. Yeah. So like this, no, for other pieces also we should do. Like, just go to layout. Okay, here itself you can select. Okay, Alt Q. You keep your cursor and Alt Q. So rotate, incremental rotation. Okay. For this we have to apply the texture. But okay, but you just keep it keep it in rotation. Then we will apply the texture. I will tell you easy way for. Yeah, that's all. Just move it and keep it inside the room, and any adjustments you want to do in scaling also you can little small bit of, no no yeah. Okay, fine. Now, no, for these two things we have done, that is enough. Wait. We can just copy them. You go to layout module. Layout module. Yeah. Now, since we have done for this one, no, first let's yeah. Wait. What you did now? Again press. Uh, This one, right. Yeah, that also you can do, or you can use Control L also. Okay. This is easier only. Okay, right. Now, yeah. Control L in the link materials is there. No, that is also it does the same thing, but you will have to select the source and target. But no, escape. Now you don't need. I will tell you when it comes. No, I will tell you. Yeah. Now you see, do you see the difference that a wood will be like this only? No, you just zoom it and see. No. I will tell you. I will tell you. No, now you undo. No, undo. Just zoom it. You can see how the wooden that designs, yeah, matching, and also the lines will be inside the design. No, will be horizontal only. Yeah. So yeah. So now uh, you remember we rotated the UV for everything. Now if you copy the texture, no, it will show up like not horizontal, vertical, the texture. So you don't have to do the UV rotation, UV that faces islands rotation for everything. You can copy the UV pattern also. How? Now you have selected three cubes, I think. No, three cubes you have selected, for which now select the master cube, which is just after this. Just now recently we applied texture. No, in the yeah, there one, that one. Shift select, shift, yeah. Oh, sorry. The first select all those cubes and then shift select this. Yeah. Now from this you don't do anything. Listen. From this active selection, textures as well as the UV will get copied one by one. First we'll copy the texture. So Control L, link materials. Yeah, you got copied. Okay. Now we have to copy the UV maps also. Yeah, Control L. Do you see copy UV maps? Yeah, down. Yeah. Just try this, no? Yeah, that's all. See, you don't have to rotate for every object. We have to rotate. Because why it is not copied there, no? That object is bit different. That is their number of vertices or dimensions are different. So Blender is saying no, it is bit different from the object like that. So what we have to do, little we have to adjust. Select only that object. Yeah, and go to press Alt A, all transforms. Uh, no, you didn't. No, all transforms you didn't apply. No, you applied. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah, press A. Everything is selected. I feel. Go to UV editing module. Top. Yeah. Now press home. If you want to bring something inside the view, no, you can press home in the, if you have home button in the keyboard, you can just press it. Okay. Now on the right side 3D viewport panel, you press dot frame selection. No, little more zoom inside. No, we have to see it. What changes are going to happen when we do something here. Yeah, okay. This is enough. Anyway, we'll see that. Now, you see here, we have rotated. Okay. You just select the last two small faces are there, no, in the UV editor panel. Just press Alt A and then select only that last face. Press Alt A. Then any one of that. Yeah, any one of the island. See this, you don't do anything, okay, don't change, no, no, don't change the view. Now you see, is it okay if that island is so small? That is what I'm saying, no? Inside a room, a big person is going, and a small, like 5 years old kid is going, and one middle aged person or middle size height person is going. If I'm giving that big height person a small space to sleep, he cannot lie down. It is impractical, no? It's not possible practically. So same way here also, this face is so big, you see, but the size inside the room we have given is very small. Okay, now you see another first face in the UV editor panel. First face, no, first island, first island, that you select. Now you take your cursor to the 3D viewport and press dot. Careful, the frame selection, frame selection. uh, Uh, you see, this guy is too small. He is like 5 years kid. He is occupying more space inside the room. Is it fair? No, it's not fair. So, not now. What we have to do? Press A in the keyboard. Again, we are going to UV unwrap. Yeah. Press U. Go to take your cursor to the UV editor panel and press U. Yeah, yeah. And Smart UV project. Yeah. Let's see if now the blender is allocating that smartness, how blend smart the blender is, we'll see whether it is allocating the big one, the big size in the room, and the small one, the small size in the room. You just select one face, first island in the UV editor panel. Yeah, now it has allocated. Now you press dot in the keyboard. There in the yeah. The texture will be all right now. You can go to, if you are not able to see, no, you go to object mode and see, press dab in the keyboard. Okay, now only thing we have to do, rotation, right? Rotate. Now you again go, select all. Now you rotate. Yeah, incremental, press control. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, little scale down. Yeah, enough. So you understood, no? Whoever is bigger in size, in his physical, in the whichever face is bigger in the geometry, he should be given more space inside the UV editor. That UV space, we call it room or whatever, right? That is a logic. Now we have done the texturing for these seats. Yeah. Now we can just copy from this one only to all the, actually to all the meshes. So you just have to. It's a bit, selection is bit difficult. I can understand. Now you can hide the gizmo. You can just press W and get out of the gizmo, because for safety purpose, and go to object mode also. Uh, Now you select all, no? Press A in the keyboard so that it will. Now you have to deselect certain objects. You go to layout mode. I suggest so that you can have a big view. Layout first module. No, yeah, layout module. Yeah. First module. Yeah, yeah. Now you have to deselect in these four things, no? Seat, four cubes. First we did texture. Zoom inside and carefully use the control, press hold control button in the keyboard and deselect one by one. It's not, wait, slowly. That is, you have to draw rectangle and then you have to do that. Not this. Okay, but thing is, no, this, yeah, you have to zoom it and then do small rectangle for that. You don't know. No, undo. Only that area, no. It will deselect the other also. Okay, you do pick selection and try. Just, no, this is okay. No, object view, just like that. Yeah. Okay, you select the top objects only. No, uh, Alt A, deselect, select the top, one by one you can select. Ah, I like that. So already textured one, except for those things, no white color objects you select. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Wait, I will tell you how to deselect. Just press Control. Yeah, yeah. Press Control. No, press Control and select. Now, if you are giving gaps, you have to press Control. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Now you have selected all the objects, those who don't have textures. Now, for the you have to select finally the master, any one object like any like which has texture. Just scroll down in the outliner. Scroll down. Any that white color unselected one, no. Upper. Up, go upwards. No, upwards, upwards. In these, any one you just press Control and select. Yeah. Now it has become the active selection. Just go to 3D viewport and just zoom it and see. No, you will see that is active selection, right? Yellow color, right? Rest are all orange. Means what? These oranges will take the texture from this active one. Yeah. Now press Control L. Link materials. Link materials. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now I think those are left unselected. So that those things also you have to select. Now only Alt A, deselect first, and then do only those. D. No, no. In the viewport only you can select the white ones. You can select, and then they also has to be assigned to the texture. Any one master you select. Any one master from whom you can take the texture. No, no. Here only. From whom you want to copy that. Yeah. There is. You select only the white color. No. Two. One more is there. You just turn the camera. You will see one more is there. Yeah. Now you select any one which is texture. In from the viewport only you can select. Yeah. Control L. No. Link materials. Yeah. That's it. So all are texture. Yeah. Now we have to check the streaks, that is design inside the texture for the vertical. I feel for these verticals also we have to rotate. I feel this vertical column, no. Yeah, that is just go any select one vertical column. Vertical means that one. Now go to UV editing module. Yeah, press A. Yeah, and rotate that incremental rotation. No, press Control and rotate on. Yeah. Fine. And place it inside the room. UV space. You have to scale it down. Yeah. White color. No ratio. No single axis scaling. Yeah. Fine. So we have to apply the same thing for the right side also. Go to object mode. Yeah, select this one and then finally select that which one you just now modified, the right side vertical column. Yeah, now you press control L and link copy UV maps. Yeah. Now you see they will all that guy also will get applied. The streaks are now vertical for that only. Yeah, right. Now we are going to do bevel modifier, but not that bevel which we generally apply. I'll show you. You save this scene file, no, save as or something. Save this scene file as, right. Okay. Okay, I'll show you. You don't apply any beveling. I will tell you what bevel you should apply. It's not the same bevel we are going to apply, and yeah. So you see, I have selected this object, and I am able to see its turnings. That is the bends. I am able to see the sharp edges. All that I am able to see. So in that view, I want that view where it is where the surface is turning. Uh, Now I am going to modifier in the properties panel. Okay, I am choosing this modifier properties, add modifier, and applying generate under the applying bevel modifier under the generate menu. Okay, I am applying. Do you see? Please look at my screen. No? Yeah, softness is there. And thing is, no, we need not tell this bevel modifier where to apply. It will apply exactly on the edges only, not to all. I will show you the difference between this and that. You see, I'm you do please look at my screen. I'm yeah, yeah. I'm pressing Control R and adding like this. Okay, okay. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to undo this, just to show you the concept of beveling. I'm doing this. Now I'm going to press all and then apply the manual beveling. I'm pressing Control B and manually beveling. You see, all the edges are getting applied. Here there are no turning, but still it is getting applied. So I actually don't want here. I want only in these edges where there is a turning, sharp turning. There I want. Here I don't want it. So, but it is doing it. That is why we are going for the bevel modifier. It will do exactly, even if there are edges here, it will do apply only for those turnings. See, it is not applying here. It is applying only here. Do you see that? This line is not becoming any, it is not showing any changes, but this turnings are showing the changes. That is why we have to choose this bevel modifier rather than manual beveling. Now another advantage of this bevel modifier is, if I don't want it, I can just close it here in the modifier, or if I want to later increase also, I can increase. But in case of this modifier, no, manual modifier, manual bevel modifier, what will happen? The settings will appear only for few seconds. Once I click the with the cursor outside in anywhere in the viewport, that settings will disappear. So that issue we don't have in the bevel modifier. That's why we are choosing bevel modifier than bevel. Now since I have applied this one, I don't have to apply for everything. I can just copy it. Yeah. But first, I will make this guy ready. Whether I'm satisfied with this or not, I'll just see. This I have the width is zero point 0.1 here. So maybe I feel zero point 0.2 or something. Okay, zero point 0.1 is okay for me. Segments, maybe I feel like increasing. Yeah, this is okay. Segments are 2 or 3 is also okay, and rest all are default. So width type is offset, amount is zero point 0.1, that is also default. Only segments I have changed it to 3. From 1 to 3 I have changed. So now I'm going to select just one guy. I will just copy and show you. So selection order is, first select the child, or say slave, and then master. So first select the child for whom this bevel modifier is needed, and then select finally the master from whom the bevel modifier is going to be transferred. Now I'm pressing Ctrl L, same shortcut, and I'm choosing copy modifiers. We previously were using copy UV maps, link materials, all that. Now we are seeing copy modifiers. You see what is happening to the slave object which I selected now. See, this is also getting copied. Yeah. So like this. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the objects. This one I have applied and I remember. Okay, for this one only I have applied. Okay. Now I'll just press A in the keyboard, and this is already selected, no? So it is by default, it is by naturally it is an active selection. Now I'll press, yeah, now I'll press Control L, and then copy modifiers. Everyone will get copied. See, all are get copied. Yeah, yeah. So it's a really bevel modifier. It's a very nice option. Yeah. Now, yeah, you can share your screen. Uh-huh, okay. The option names, no? Tools names. Uh-huh, okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Modify Boolean is also a modifier only. We call it Boolean operation. It's a in modifier panel only. In Blender they have kept it in that category. Yeah, yeah. So that no. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry. You have used subdivision, huh? Yeah. Subdivision, no, it increases the vertices, so much vertices. Only if it needs, yeah, yeah. That is only at the edges we need smooth, no. That is why we have something called beveling. One, if you need the smoothness on the surface where it is flat also, then you have to use subdivision. Means what? Yeah, you can just apply subdivision and see. Select it, go to add modifier, generate subdivision surface. Yeah, yeah, it becomes too soft, and moreover if you increase, it won't be intact, and it increases, it's like making an object, a cube into sphere. That much vertices it will add. We don't need that actually. Yeah, yeah. But in other softwares what you say is correct, the function is different. But in Blender, subdivision means it will make the cube into sphere, like that. Yeah, yeah. Now you please type the same amount, no, dot 0 0.1, 0 0.1, and segment should not be this much. Actually, maximum is 3. Yeah, it will crash. Yeah, yeah. The Blender will crash. 3, and zero point 0.1 amount is that is width. Zero point 0.1 is width amount. Yeah, yeah. If it is too soft, no, that wood's quality we won't feel it. For that only we are typing less number of width. Yeah, for that. Yeah. Now having done for one object, we don't have to do for every other object. We just have to press A. Yeah, press A. No, no, press, no, no, A, press A in the keyboard. No, no, you just undo, no, undo. I will show you. Yeah. Now, see, now which one is active selection? Can you tell me? The this one means what? First you selected that the selection orders was ready. So then when you pressed A, in that same order only it is selecting. Blender also selecting. Now press Control L, and copy modifiers in video. Yeah, that one there. Yes, yes. So now all are applied. Uh, you may feel no for some objects, or you just again press A, and right click in the viewport, right click, uh, you shade auto smooth, auto second one, yeah, right. So like this you have chosen. Okay, for seats, no, for seats, this 5 plates are there. Only for those objects we can choose auto shade flat. It'll be nice actually. Yeah, shade flat. Yeah, 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 fine. Yeah, it is there. You just you have to keep in view, and now you do and see. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, little more zoom in. uh, yeah, zoom inside. Yeah, now you carefully, no, no, right click and shade auto smooth. Do you see some shining? It will be there. And shade smooth, you now you just apply, because normals are changing. Shade smooth, little change will be there. Normals are changing. So if it is flat, no, it will be nice actually. Okay, whichever you want, you can keep it. Now, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, right. Now, and we have applied bevel modifier. Okay, fine. And we have to apply normal map, because a wood will be having granular bump. Very, for every designs, no, they are actually not just design, like not kind of painting, no, they are bumps actually. They are like small small natural carvings in the wood, existing in the wood. So that they have actually scraped many times, and using some oil or special oil something, no, they have made it so shining, as if there is no bumps at all. Only those designs what we are seeing on the wood, it is just uh, like painted something, but they are actually carvings actually. If you just cut the wood tree, no, you will see first ring, second ring. It will show the how much the tree
Age.
age of the tree. Yeah, so they are like growth in that, inside that small small regions. So to bring that granular bump, what we have to do is apply normal map. So how to create that normal map? We cannot paint normal map actually. We have to create using this wood texture what I gave you, no, same texture. Using that, we have to create the normal map. In Blender itself, they have given this option, nice option. In ZBrush, Substance Painter and all they have. But I told you, no, inside the Blender all those softwares are there. We don't have to go outside at all, because it's not commercial. So they don't have to fear any big companies. Yeah, yeah, so without any fear they are doing it. Now you can save this file, and we can open another Blender, and yeah, yeah. You can minimize this and open next another Blender, new Blender. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In this, no, we can delete. Yes, yes. Add plane. Go to add uh, plane. Mesh plane. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, yeah. Now go to shading module. Shading mod. Next to that. Yeah. Now here also press dot. Yeah, right. Now below you are seeing the shading nodes panel. Upper region is viewport, lower region is shading nodes panel. Now in that you can press new. Means what? We in material properties we apply new, no, same way here also we are applying. One second. So we are here also we are applying new, and it will, no, 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 you just zoom out or press home in the home button. If it's not there, okay. Now you are seeing principled BSDF is being created. This is the shader. Generally, when we press new in the material editors, no, this is the shader name will get created generally. So it's not something new actually. Right now, we are using. Just listen. We have created a new blender, and in that blender we are doing this, trying to create a normal map out of the from the wooden map. Okay, yeah. So for that, no, just like that, we are just for that creation of normal map, we are doing all these things. Once we have created it, we don't need this scene file anymore. We can just, without saving only, we can close this blender, because it will give the output as texture file, one image file, normal map image file. So once we get that, we don't need this plane we created, principal BSDF, this shader, all that we don't need actually. Yeah. So the process here is, we have to create the plane for creating the normal map for any texture from downloaded from Google or anywhere. We have to just create a new blender and then create a plane, and for that we have to go to shading module, and then in the shading nodes panel, we have to create a principled BSDF shader. And now we have to press, just bring your cursor to the shading nodes panel, and press shift A. Yeah, yeah, it will show all the list. Now you go to texture menu. In that texture will be there, in that image texture we have to choose. Yeah, it will show up immediately. It will, in the left side, you just keep it, no, left side, down. uh, yeah, you can also move it. Yeah, very good. Now you can press home if you have press home. Okay, right. So you have to pan and zoom it manually, right? Now, no, not base color. No, escape. No. This time, no, I told no, we have to create normal map out of that color map. So, it is not right to connect this image node where we are going to bring the wood texture and connect it to base color. No, we should not do. We should connect this image textures color factor to the normal. Do you see in the principal BSDF any word like normal? Blue color or indigo color will be below that. That below that. Normal. So from color to normal we have to connect. Yeah, very good, very good. Now, no, little, keep the image texture little gap. That is the principal BSDF and image texture should have the gap. So you can move this material output right, far right. Yeah. This one also. Yeah, let there be gap. Yeah. Purpose is, we are going to fill few more nodes, or one in the middle, so that we just by placing it there, it will connect by itself. We don't have to manually connect. If you don't keep the gap, you will have to connect it. Yeah. Now press shift A. Go to vector. You just try to see bump or something. Bump is there. Yeah, first one. Yeah, now you just keep it there, it will connect. There only. No, on the link. See, that's all. So on that rope, no, on that link, you just have to place your node, it will connect. Now little change you have to do. Color to normal it should come. Color to height it should come. Yeah, you have to connect it, because we need the height information. Bump means what? It is a height, no, it's a small, very like nanometer height it is, right? It's a small, it's a height actually, now you have connected it. Go to image texture node and say open. Yeah, open. Yeah. In that you have to choose that wood texture. Yeah. So this one, no, if you want to do screenshot also, you can just keep it, so that no later, not now, I will tell you when to do the screenshot, so that it will become by heart. You do. Yeah, yeah. Now it is why it is showing only the bump, right? Because you have connected it to height. You just zoom it and see in the viewport. In the viewport, yeah, in the viewport only, viewport, 3D viewport, yeah, yeah. So you can see the bump, but you want it as a normal map. I will show you what is normal map once the process is done. No, you will yourself see what is normal map, what is the difference between what you are seeing now and the normal map, so bring, yeah, yeah. Now press shift A again. Yeah, yeah. Now go to texture, image node, image node. Yes, image texture. Yeah, that I am calling it image node. Yeah, just keep, no, no, don't link anywhere. Just keep, bring it down. Let it be separate only. Yeah, enough, enough, enough. Now, you just listen. Now we have these links on the upper side. You have given the texture for an image node, and then linked it to bump node. From bump node, it is to linked it to, you have linked it to principal BSTF. So these three, two links you have done. Now you have created one more image node where the output image the Blender is going to create, no, that will fall there. Means what? You have created an open canvas, empty canvas, where the normal map will be painted by Blender itself. We have an option for that. We are saying Blender, man, I am giving you a color texture, you convert it to normal map and then give me. Then Blender is saying you just create one canvas, empty canvas, empty image node, where you don't assign any texture, you don't even touch that open or anything, that buttons, you don't touch anything, just create it and keep it in the down, don't connect it to anything, like that only. Just keep it in selection, the white color line should be around it. Just no, no, in the, go to shading nodes panel, do you see the white color line? When it is selection, select the empty image node, down one, down one. uh, Select. Do you see the white line? It is in selection, no? That selection it should be. That is all the Blender is asking us to do. Let it be in selection. Now I will convert it to normal map. Whatever texture you have given it, I will convert it to normal map itself. Now go to uh, right side in the properties panel, render settings, properties panel. That is in the second icon. Just click on the second icon in the, yes, yes. You are seeing render engine EV. Okay, EV is not so great render engine. Okay, it renders very fast, but it lacks many options. But Cycles has very good options. Cycle is very high definition rendering. So you now just choose Cycles. Yeah, yeah, Cycles render. Now we are not going to render any frames like sequence or any even one frame and all, we are not going to render. But in Cycles render engine, we have one option called bake. We call it bake texturing, texture bake. uh, yeah, baking texture. So means what? It is like cooking this color map and giving you the output dish as normal map or whatever map you want. So first we have to give it as color map or some input you have to give. It will give out as normal map, whatever, now you just bring, scroll down in the same properties panel. You will see bake somewhere, bake, that you have to open. Yeah, open there. No, 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 don't press bake. Now bake type, in that you choose normal. uh, Other means bump. You're asking bump. I will tell you, normal is for bump only. Normals, yeah, yeah, normal, no. You would have heard about bump map all generally. Then later came this normal map. So normal map was not much in the what no, was not in prevailing in the production, but later they invented this normal map. They started using this normal map only. So they told, actually those who invented it, they told, rather than using bump map, you use normal map only, because we have designed the render engines in such a way that even if you give bump map which will be in black and white color, whichever is white color, it will be high bump, that is high level. Whichever is black color, it will be dent. That is the definition of that. Whichever is black color, it will have dent on the surface. Whichever is white color, it will have more upward, or what say, that is called bump, we say bump. Yeah, yeah. So but the those who designed this render engine, they say that, you assign only normal map, which will have the color scheme of not the black and white color scheme. It will have indigo and pink color, light blue color, those kind of color scheme it will have. So that it will have many colors, so it will have more details. The When the software, Maya software or Blender software, when it is calculating bump maps, it will it will have more color variations to calculate the bump, which one is little. Here you have only black color, gray color and white color, but there you have many colors, so it can, that variation it can show. So that is why normal we are using. So we are converting this color map into normal map. We are not even giving it bump map into normal map. We are giving the color map itself, and it is Blender is converting into normal map. Now the settings, this is the settings we have to go to. We have gone into cycles render engine. Under the bake column, we are, no, don't press anything. Now just come down, no, come down. You are seeing selected to active. You don't have to press anything of that, just default settings, huh? Only thing what you changed is bake type is normal, that's all, huh? Yeah, yeah. And one more thing you have to do is selection of that image node. Image node, that is empty image node in the shader nodes, no, shader nodes panel. Do you see? No, no, shader nodes panel, this below the 3D viewport, that one should be in selection. Only then the Blender will know, okay, this is what I am going to overwrite, like that. If you selection only, yeah. I'm just reminding you, right? Yeah, yeah. Now you can press the bake and you have to wait. Don't press anything after pressing the bake. Yes, press the bake. Now you see, no active image found in the, uh, means what it should be, the image should be there, no. Just move the thing down, shader nodes. Yeah. Um, no, no. Just press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, yeah. Zoom inside. Yeah, yeah. So image is given, and okay. Now you texture. You select that image node, the latest image node. Down one. That one. Yeah. Uh, Now you press bake. Let's see what it see. No active image found in the material for the object plane. Okay, you just try to connect this, from bump to normal we have connected, no. Bump to base color, you just try to connect base color, from, we have to connect from the starting. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now you just press the image node, empty image node. Yeah, now you press bake, no. It should not say like this, I don't know why. Okay, I will show you. I'll show you what mistake we are doing. Find out. So I'll share the new Blender. I'm taking a mesh plane. Okay, fine. Now I'll go to shading module and pressing new in the shade nodes and creating a new material and pressing shift A and going to texture image node and then connecting it to the normal. Okay, open and choosing the texture. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to create a gap and then press shift A. Oh, sorry. Okay, okay. So now I'm pressing again the shift A and then choosing the vector bump. Fine, it is aligning by itself. I just have to shift it to height. Fine. Now um, press shift A and create one more image node, empty node. Now here I'll go to switch to render to cycles. Fine. Choose bake, select shift to normal. Fine. Now I'm pressing bake. No active image found in the material for object. Um, is there any problem with the texture? I have to see. Active image. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, thing. That is, we have to create the canvas. No, we didn't do that. That is, I have to create this canvas. Only then you can do the normal mapping on that. We should not press the open button, but we can use this new button, and then create the normal map something. I have to just type it and then maybe 2048 2K texture I'm choosing. Switch off the alpha and then saying okay. Now it should come. Yeah. Okay, I forgot this step, sorry. So now it is in selection, this image node, which I have named it normal map and given it 2K dimension image, and it is an empty canvas, like, yeah. So now I'm going to press the bake button. Now you see in the that is downward region, you'll see collection, plane, vertices 4, all that. There you will see one progression from 1 to 100%. You will see it will slowly increase and finish it. Only when it is becoming 100%, it has the blender has converted this color map to normal map. So you can see that, yeah, I'm pressing the bake. Yeah, it will show that 0% on the texture bake. So you can also do that. uh, you can share your screen. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, that yeah, I'm able to see. Now this image texture node down, empty node is there, no, there we have to press new button and name it normal map or something. Normal map. Yeah. And width height is no, undo you do, if it is possible. No, it will not. Okay, then leave it. It is only thing you have named it. It is now in 1K, but it will finish fast. That advantage is also there. 2K means it will take time. So now, having selected this You can do, yeah, you can do that, yeah. New, normal map. Yeah, you have to type 2048. No, you have to click on there. 2048, 2048. Yeah. Now alpha off. Switch off the alpha. Yeah. Okay. Because for normal map, no, we don't need alpha. Now you know that this normal map node, this is in selection only. Now you can safely go to bake. There is a right side properties panel and press bake. Yeah. You are seeing texture bake 0% in the down region. Yeah. So it will take time. 2K, no? 2K it will take time. Yeah, it has done its. Now we have to, yeah. Now just take your cursor to the left side small viewport and press Control space. Now you zoom it, no? Zoom inside using your, yeah. So we don't see anything, no? So we have to play with those values. Like that we have to do. So I will tell you the values. Once I do it, I will tell you the values. Wait. I will share my screen. I will tell you the values. It is still processing. Maybe I'll escape it. Cancel. So it has come like this. This is also too much. I think in your bump node, maybe the value. You just check your bump node. No? How much it is? Can you just tell me? Yeah. That is in the shaders node. There is image node, the wood texture image node. After that, bump node, principal BSDF, all that. Just zoom it there. Uh, okay. Control space. Control space. Yeah. Yeah. Now you have to go to shader nodes panel. There, zoom it to bump node. Can you tell me the values? Strength, how much? 1.00. Okay. So have you connected it to height, color to height? So I think normal to base color it should be, I think, because we just tried, no, for trial. So now you connect it to normal only. From bump normal to principled BSDF normal. Yeah. Principled BSDF normal factor. Yeah. Now you can click that below normal map, then empty node we have created. No, just click on, just select that normal node, normal map node, and then press bake. Yeah. I think it will take time. I think. Yeah. How much time you have for, no, in library? 40 minutes. Okay. Correct. Okay. Yeah. Enough. Oh, yes. Once we apply this normal map, we have to do a small lighting. That's all. It is still in progressing, no, 0% or 1% something. 1%, no. Okay. If it is taking too much time, no, we will just sometimes it takes 5 minutes or something. If it is taking more than 2 minutes, no, We will just it's done. Okay, right, right. Now, now in the left side, go take your mouse to the cursor to the left side panel. Same thing. Control space and just you see so many granules, right? Granules, right? Small granules. So you may feel this much bump. I don't want, only little I want. So what you have to do, you just come back, control space, come back, type only point 3 for both strength, in the bump node, strength point 3, distance point 3. Yeah, now you can press the normal map node, empty node, and then press bake. Normal map node, empty node, downwards, empty node in your shaders panel. There is a normal map empty node. No, latest we created. We have two image nodes. One is having wooden texture. Another is having normal map. That node you have to select in the shader nodes panel. Normal map node, orange color bar is there on the top. No. Okay. You show your screen. You share your screen. Okay. Okay. Now you have, you just type there point 3. No, point 3 you type there where it is blue color, highlighted blue color, no, in the bump node, point 3 you type. Wait, I will I think I'm not seeing your screen. I think, wait. You have to share your screen actually. Now I'm able to share. Yeah, I'm able to see, right. Now, yeah, strength and distance are point 0.3. Okay, fine. Now come down. You just come down means, yeah, this one you should all be, I told, no, before pressing the big button, you have to select this normal map, this image node. Only then you have to, having typed this point 0.3. Now you are checking point 0.3 bump is okay for you or not. So you go to properties panel, press bake button. Yeah, now it will again process it. So I feel point 0.3 should be okay. Before it was strength 1 and distance 1. Now it is point 0.3, both are point 0.3. So it will be okay. Yeah. Yeah. You go and come back. If you want, you can go and come back. Yeah. Little work is only pending. Hold on. Yeah, half an hour.
It is per hour basis.
in your case, no, you can save this file because in future you may want to see this linking, this connections between the shader nodes. So what you saved it as, yeah, save it as color map to normal map. Yeah, okay, saved, it is showing saved. Now you can minimize this, you can minimize this blender scene. You have minimized it. Okay, right. Now you have to show the chair scene. No, that that blender you have to share with me. Okay, you will open here itself. You will open. Okay, right. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. Now, load the chair last scene file. Yeah. Now you are going to keep this one piece of wood, no, in close up. Uh, go to shading module. Shading module, top. Yeah, yeah, that one. Yeah. Just no, press dot, no, dot. Yeah, yeah. In zoom inside because we have to see it very close up. Only then we can see the normal map how it is changing the surface. Uh, uh, so you go to 3D. Take your cursor to 3D viewport and zoom in more. Slowly, and turn your camera slowly. Turn, yeah. Now little tilt the camera downwards. That is downwards means your camera should come up. No, not much, not this much. No, little zoom in. Like this, right. Now don't change the view. Let it be like this. Uh, Now we are going to add normal map to this what we are seeing, no, in the shader nodes. What is there in the shader nodes? Color map is there already. Wooden texture color map is there. Okay, right. Then principal BSDF is there, and then material output node is there. These three nodes are that generally it be there. Okay. Now we are going to add normal map. Now press Shift A, texture image texture, sorry, image texture. Now yeah, you can keep it there, no problem. Now you move this material output node far right, and yeah, this image texture node that is left, not that one, the first one, wood texture one, uh, that one far left. Yeah. Now, you don't do anything. Let the view be like this only. Press Shift A and choose vector under vector menu. No, left side. Left turn. In that, bump will be there. Bump first one. Yeah. So bring it down. No, not there. Bring it down. We are going to manually connect it. Now left. Bring this image, newly created image node, empty image node. Left side. There. Yeah, there. Now connect the color to normal. To principal to BSDF normal. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Now you can drop this. if you don't want to connect manually, drop it on the link, second link. Drop this normal bump node on the link. Yeah, yeah, here, yeah, yes. Now press dot. Yeah, zoom inside, zoom inside. Now this image, in the image texture node, recent one, press open. Here, down, down, yeah, yeah. Okay, one thing, you did you save that normal map? You didn't save, no? Uh-huh. Okay. No, no, I think you didn't save. Okay, you please open a new Blender, no? New Blender instead of file new, no? No, 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 not file new. No, no, not like this. That is, minimize this one. Open a new Blender. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to show me. You don't have to share it, but you just select, open the same scene file, that color map to normal map, and then recent one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Normal map. Yes, yes. In that it is showing the shader nodes, right? Shader nodes. Yeah, yeah, okay. So I think that image, no, we have to save it. Otherwise, it won't retain. We are saying only the dot blend format, no. Blender won't save the image file, whether it is normal map or whatever we created out of the same Blender, but it will not save it unless we do it by ourselves. Yeah. So what we have to do is that normal map node is there, no? After that baking and all, same process you have to do now. Just select that normal map node in the shader nodes, and then press bake, and then it will create a normal map after some progress. Then I will tell you how to save it. So it is in progress, huh? 1% or 2% like that. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Okay. No, no, I'm not able to see. That is, it is separate window, no? So we will have to share it. It's okay. No, no, it's okay. Again, we will have to come back to this one. It's okay. Yeah, from here itself, I can tell you, no problem. Yeah, okay, fine. Now, in the left side, this blue color you are seeing, no, the image is showing up, normal map. There, do you see three lines, three or four lines or something? Three lines, I think. For me, it's. Do you see view, three lines, horizontal lines? Do you see? Once you press it, no, it will horizontal. That you just press, it will show image save as. Yeah, save as where you want to that directory, no, Blender lessons, textures folder. Inside that normal map, like that, you have to save. While saving, no, it will show as PNG format. Under that, uh, press choose 16, 16, not the 8-bit, 16-bit. On the right side, it is 16. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So save it as normal map, save like that. Then you come back to this chair scene, Blender. Yeah, yeah. So unless we save that map, no, it won't. Blender itself won't save it. We have to save. Yeah. Once after baking it, we have to save it. Right. Now, now I will see your screen. It is in the zoom. Okay, right. No, keep it in the same view. No, what we had, it was in close up. Little camera from the yeah, yeah, little more close up. Yeah, 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 yeah. And little come down camera, little come down. Yeah, and pan it down. Press shift and middle mouse button. Yeah, and no, pan it. Yeah, wait, wait. Now little zoom in. Bus enough. So don't change the view, let it be like this. Now we have created the image node, bump node, all that. Uh, just uh, go to this. Image node is connected to what is that, normal, but connected to height in the bump. Just bring your cursor to the shader nodes. Color to height. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now press open in the keyboard. There is in the, sorry, image node. Yeah, that one, below. Come. Image, that is empty image node is there, no bump. That one. Open. Oh, right. Okay, I'm not able to see that. Now you choose that normal map. That's all. No, don't do anything. Do you see the difference? No, please don't zoom out. Yeah. Okay, you can turn it, but don't zoom out. Uh, so this much we don't want, right? This is too much. But this much we have to create while creating. Like when you are taking something from the shop, no, you will take more. Once you come back home, you will use it little only from that stock. Same way here also. Normal map, you converted it, which will have so much variations in the normal map, that image, but we will use it very less. So in the bump map, you have the factors to reduce it. You can see strength, distance, and all in the bump node. There you can, I think it should be 1.0. You can make it zero point 0.2 or something, both zero point 0.2 or something. Yeah, distance also you can point to. You can play with it even you're. You can also play with, yeah, yeah. Now we are going to play with the specular, that is shining factor of it. How much shining a wood can have, like that. So yeah. How much roughness also we can get. Now actually just zoom into this principled BSDF parameters, no, right side little green color, that one, zoom into it. Yeah. Now, metals we don't, actually it should be zero only. Roughness you just decrease and see, no, but don't change the view and all. Huh? Yeah. You just make it zero. So for your learning, no, see how it is becoming. If you becoming so reflective, but it cannot be, no. When a surface is having granular bump, what will happen when the light is casted on it? Those bumps, will diffuse it, will spread it, so we cannot see any image reflected on it without any distortion. It will be distorted only. So that distortion we need now. So roughness you have put to zero point 0.3 or something, I think. Let it be like that. Okay, fine. Mm, yeah. Now, do you see subsurface or something? Under that, specular is there. Under that, specular. Subsurface we are not going to use. Specular. So, for that specular, you are seeing IOR. IOR means index of reflection. So, that we are going to little increase and see. Slowly increase and see the effect, no? Yeah, little it is becoming shining. Yeah, so like if you want to increase more also, you can increase, like one is there, no, just put two and see. Yeah, and it become more shiny like that, huh? It is like how, when you put water on that, how it will be like that. For those kind of effects you can use this two and all. Yeah. So that is IOR, index of reflection. So Yeah, but now we are not having any water or anything, so we don't have that requirement. So I think maybe IOR can be like point 0.5 or point 0.7 like that. It can be, I think. Point 0.7 you can type IOR. Yeah, yeah. 0.7. Yeah, yeah. This should be enough. Now, if you want to reduce even more this sorry. Uh, what is it, bump strength, you can reduce, like I don't remember what, how much we typed. Point 0.2, no, point 0.1 you can just type in the bump node and see if you want. Point 0.1. Okay, okay, okay. We just have to put light. If we have time we can do that, or like yeah. That's all. That is all. We can just put the light. We can go now. No, for lighting we need not be in shading module. We can go to first layout module only. We can. Yeah, yeah. Now actually we have to. I think just zoom any upper this horizontal. No, I think we have to copy these. This texture, yeah, I don't know whether they are all applied. They are all applied, right? They are all applied. Because only one shader is there, no? So when you change the shader, all will get changed. So right. On material, when it is changed, all will reflect the same parameters, right? Now what we have to do is put the light. Go to add. There is add menu, yeah, light, spotlight, third one, yeah, yeah. But now we have to create a plane also for the floor, no, we have to create a plane. Yeah, yeah, plane, yeah. Make it, press S in the keyboard and make it bigger. Yeah, yeah, yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. A little more bigger you can make, I think, like press yes, no, it will be easy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very, very nice. Now, Spotlight has come. You can go to Outliner and minimize this group share. This one. Go to Outliner, minimize this group share so that you can see the light, all that elements inside the Outliner only. Okay, okay, right. Right. Now you go to move handle in the toolbox and move it upwards. We have to position the light. That's all. Upwards. A little more upwards. Yeah. Now scale it. Yes, press yes and scale it bigger. Yeah, even more. Now further, nicely bigger. Yeah, enough. Now keep it upwards. Yeah, yeah. Now just go to its parameter, its settings. No, on the properties panel. Go to settings. Proper right side. Right side. Down. We have to increase properties panels. That one, yeah, 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 very good. Now you are seeing the light icon, data properties. Yes, yes. Power should be 1,000 or more than that. Thousand is okay. Yeah, it will not show now because we are in material preview node. So I will tell you, diffuse you put to diffuse to 200. Yes, yeah. Now you come take your cursor to 3D viewport, press Z in the keyboard. Z, rendered. Yeah, yeah. So now you can see. Now if you want to change the position of the light, no, you can change, and one more light if you want to keep, you can keep. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can change the color also, like that. Then again we will be like doing some changes in the shaders, like shining more, shining less or something. It based on the camera view, which one we are going to render, no, which camera. If it is too close, we will increase the shining. If it is too far, then the camera shining can be decreased, because otherwise what will happen, when the when the camera is far and shining also is top, like 1 or 2, then the entire thing will bleach with white color shining. So at the time we will have to decrease the shining, specular. Okay, I think your time is up. I think you can please save it, and then we can. So next class you can tell me in WhatsApp. You can tell me. Friday, Saturday. Oh, oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. No, no. For me, okay. Friday, Saturday, Sunday is okay. Yeah. I thought tomorrow. I thought okay. Okay, Friday, Saturday. You'll have much time than this. Okay. 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 Thank you, Rahul. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.